FAQ, right? This was a page that my website design company made for me, right? And there's my text. I'll just click that out. It's called FAQ. Let me click it. Can you see it? FAQ? Go to bigbeninspections.com and click FAQ. These are frequently asked questions. What questions should you ask a home inspector? If you're wondering about hiring a home inspector, what should you ask a home inspector? Well, here's why should I hire you? And you give 3 answers. I have 1,000 happy clients. I am a certified professional inspector, CPI. I provide exceptional service. So under each answer is like a little paragraph that gives more information. I'm a certified professional inspector. I provide exceptional service, right? And this is an FAQ page that inspectorwebsitebuilder.com provides to all the inspectors, and you can tweak all the answers. What do you do? Well, we inspect homes and buildings. We offer many different types of inspections, and we inspect everything listed here. So that's the link to the standards of practice. What really matters? This is a feature that helps you make money because you're getting rid of all these questions that a potential home buyer may have in their head, and they don't, you answer them without picking up the phone, right? Just what really matters, just 4 things. 4 things that really matter during our home inspection. Or what really matters, material defects in the summary report, right? I want my clients to know that I have a summary report of the major things and a little article about what really matters, a real estate agent's duty. That's what really matters. And what should I do as a home buyer, as a potential client? Walk and talk with your inspector. Read the inspector's promise. Read the standards of practice, agreement, report, and book, and understand the inspector's responsibility. This FAQ is a really awesome page. And if you wanted to know the analytics, are people landing on this page or not? You have that owner's app to look at the analytics to see what page. I'll show you that in a little bit.